Welcome back to another essential guide. Today I'm diving into something crucial every home should have: first aid kits. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, having the right first aid kit can make all the difference. Let's break down the best ones you need to keep you safe, and how to use each item inside. We'll cover everything from basic kits to more comprehensive and trauma-specific kits. It is usually cheaper to build your own kit than to buy them already prepared. First up, the basic first aid kit. This is your go-to for minor injuries and should be a staple in every home and workspace. Inside, you'll find Band-Aids, antiseptic wipes, gauze pads, adhesive tape, and tweezers. These items are essential for treating small cuts, scrapes, and minor wounds. Gauze pads and adhesive tape are perfect for larger cuts, while tweezers are great for removing splinters or debris from wounds. Use the Band-Aids for small cuts and scrapes. They're quick and easy to apply, providing immediate protection. Clean the wound with an antiseptic wipe first to prevent infection. This step is crucial for proper wound care. For larger cuts, apply a gauze pad and secure it with adhesive tape. And those tweezers? Perfect for removing splinters or small debris. Next, the comprehensive first aid kit. This one's ideal for more serious injuries and includes a wider range of supplies. It includes everything from the basic kit plus some extras: a CPR mask, a digital thermometer, instant cold packs, and an elastic bandage. These additional items can be lifesavers in more severe situations. The CPR mask is essential if you need to perform CPR. It provides a barrier between you and the patient, ensuring safety for both. The CPR mask is easy to use and can be a critical tool in emergency situations. Make sure you know how to use it properly. Use the digital thermometer to check for fever. It's quick, accurate, and essential for monitoring someone's condition. Instant cold packs are great for reducing swelling. Just activate them and apply to the affected area. The elastic bandage is perfect for wrapping sprains and providing support. It's versatile and can be used for various injuries. Lastly, the trauma first aid kit. This kit is for critical situations and includes specialized items for severe injuries. It includes a tourniquet, trauma shears, hemostatic gauze, and a space blanket. These items are designed for life-threatening situations. The tourniquet is for severe bleeding. Apply it above the wound and tighten until bleeding stops. This can be a life-saving measure. Make sure you know how to use a tourniquet properly. It's a critical skill in emergency first aid. Trauma shears are heavy-duty scissors for cutting clothing and other obstructions. They're essential for accessing wounds quickly. Hemostatic gauze helps with blood clotting. Apply it directly to the wound to control bleeding. The space blanket keeps someone warm in shock or hypothermia. It's lightweight and easy to use. Remember, knowing how to use these items is just as important as having them. Take a first aid course if you can. First aid training can make a huge difference in an emergency. It equips you with the knowledge and confidence to act quickly. Keep your kits accessible and check them regularly for expired items. Replace anything that's out of date to ensure your kit is always ready. Stay safe out there. Your safety is the top priority, so make sure your first aid kit is always stocked and ready. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips and guides. See you next time. Your support helps us bring you more valuable content.